In this example, we're going to be factoring out the greatest common monomial. So for A here, when you're trying to identify the greatest common monomial, you want to ask yourself three things. First of all, the largest number that goes into all the terms. Second thing you want to ask yourself is there a variable in all the terms? And the third thing you want to ask yourself is the leading coefficient negative? So those are the three things you want to identify when trying to find out what you pull out. So in this case, the largest number that goes into both 14 and 12 is 2. And we do have an x in both. The lowest exponent we have is x to the first. So we're going to pull out x to the first. And since the leading coefficient, or the 14 there, is not negative, we will not pull out a negative number. We've identified that 2x is our greatest common monomial. So we're going to divide each term by 2x to finish it off. 14 divided by 2 is 7. When you divide x squared by x, you subtract their exponents, giving us x to the first. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. And x divided by x will cancel out. So overall, the factor form is 2x times 7x plus 6. And the second one over here on the right, going through the same questions, what's the largest number that goes into both 18 and 30? I believe it is 6. Yes, 6. And then there's no variable in all the terms, so we don't take an x out. The 30 does not have a variable with it. However, the leading coefficient, the term with the higher exponent, has a negative coefficient, so we're going to pull out negative 6 instead of positive 6. Then we'll divide each term by negative 6, since we now know what our greatest common monomial is, or our common monomial that we will pull out. Negative 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. X is just coming along for the ride. We're not dividing by x, so it will stay the same. 30 divided by negative 6 is negative 5. So there we have it. Negative 6 times in parentheses 3x minus 5.